8 tips for hiring a kitchen or bathroom remodeling contractor. Use the following guide to ensure you hire the right company for the job and get the results you deserve. Ask for recommendations. Ask colleagues, friends, relatives, and neighbors for first-hand recommendations for a local kitchen or bathroom remodeling contractor. 2. The rule of 3. Obtain quotes from at least 3 contractors in order to compare rates, schedules, and experience. 3. Check references. Once you've narrowed down your choices, ask each contractor for at least 3 recent local references and be sure to call each one of them. 4. Go for experience. A contractor that has been in business for several years will have had time to establish a reputation, either good or bad, within the community. 5. Look at credentials. Determine if the contractor is licensed, bonded, and insured, and don't just take their word for it. 6. Get a written estimate. Ask for a detailed written estimate outlining all the costs, including labor and the projected timeline for the beginning and completion for the project. 7. Ask the hard questions. Questions to ask include: will you be obtaining all necessary permits? How long have you been in business? How many other projects are you currently working on? 8. Read the contract. Before you sign on the dotted line, read every word of your contract to ensure it contains the following information: payment schedule, start and end dates, detailed list of products and materials to be used. Are you looking for a quote on your dream kitchen or bathroom? Click the link in the description of the video for a free, no obligation quote today.